Hello guys and welcome to How To Tutorial. So today in this video, I will show you how to create Kik account on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now go to your search tab and type kik.com and enter. With this, you will directly land on the homepage of Kik and this is how it looks. Now on the right corner, you can see this login option and sign up option. If you already have an account, you can log in from here. But since we do not have any account, we will be signing up. Click on it. So here you can see that this is the short form that you need to fill up, and you can also sign up with Google account or your Apple account, but for now I will be going with my email. So give your preferred email address here you want your account to be associated with, and select your date of birth by clicking on this drop down options, and then give your username here, how you want your name to be as, and your password. Confirm the password. If you want to receive SMS alert on your securities and account details or related informations, then you can tick on here. If you do not want, then you can let it be. Now after you do this, the final step is to click on sign up button here. Click on it. Now here you can see that for the verification of your account, you will need 6-digit codes. If you want to receive your codes from email, then click on email. If you want to receive your codes on your SMS, then you can click on SMS. Now for now, I will be going with email. Now let me go and check on the email address that I have provided. As you can see that I have already received one. So open it up and copy the code and paste it over here. And accept the terms and policy by clicking on this accept button here. And finally, we are done. So this is how we have created our account, and as you can see here, this is my profile. You can see channel, subscription, settings, and all. So yeah, this was it for today guys. I hope you guys like the video, and if you all guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.